The Royal was among thousands affected by the computer security failure of the Madrid health system. The breach meant people's private data such as their telephone number, social security number and address could be accessed by just having their ID number, Telemadrid reported. Their vaccination data such as when they received their jab and which shot they were given could also be accessed. Thousands of people have reportedly been affected by the glitch. The security failure has mainly affected people living in Madrid. Felipe is among high-profile figures whose data has been exposed in the breach. Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez's data has also been exposed. And former Spanish Prime Minister José María Aznar and ex-Deputy Prime Minister Pablo Iglesias were affected. Sources from the Ministry of Health admitted a security vulnerability was found on Wednesday but said the issue had been resolved. They told Telemadrid, "A security vulnerability was detected in the functionality of the citizen portal to obtain the COVID certificate, which affected a link that is not in the public domain." They said, "This incident has been caused by the upload of an update that passed the test protocols and that in the startup process generated a gap that has been solved within hours after being detected by quality services. It is false that any citizen can enter the web pages of the Ministry of Health of the Community of Madrid to obtain the COVID certificate and that confidential information such as clinical data of the King, the President of the government or other former presidents can be accessed." They added that in any case the incident did not affect clinical data and, of course, did not compromise the alteration of any information in the databases. In addition, to access that information, the ID of the person in question would be needed. "We insist that this gap is already blocked. By mid-afternoon on Wednesday the data was no longer visible.